Kilala ang Taiwan sa bubble tea, night markets, shopping stalls, pati na rin sa bustling nightlife nito. Pero alam nyo ba na marami pa palang pwedeng gawin sa nasabing bansa? Kung hanap mo ay kakaibang relaxing activity, pwedeng-pwede ninyong puntahan ang mga leisure farm sa Taiwan. Sa isinagawang Agritourism Conference ng Taiwan Leisure Farm Development Association o TLFDA sa Clark, Pampanga nitong April 11, ipinakita sa ating mga kabalen kung ano-ano ang pwedeng ma-experience sa green tours.
It's time we would like to open our kitchen for leisure farm, which is we promote farm kitchen. Because now, food is the way to connect people, even different countries, different culture. So we have fruits cuisine, flower cuisine. Even you go to fishery to just harvest the fresh fish and then become your cuisine. So we open our kitchen for leisure farm, which is we call farm kitchen. So you enjoy harvesting and then learning food and agriculture education, and also you get involved in farming lifestyle and cooking with our farmers.
Bukod sa masarap at healthy na farm-to-table food, total self-care din ang pwedeng ma-achieve sa mga physical and wellness activities.
And most important of all, you stay in the leisure farms the whole day with the families. It's just I think it's the best way. You always have local friends and then sharing story with each other.
Kwento ni Leo ng TLFDA, higit na sumikat ang agritourism sa kanilang bansa matapos ang COVID-19 pandemic.
That urban people come back to a region or province for this green tour. So this time we promote not only you come to Taiwan, of course you need to go to Taipei for shopping, night market, but besides that, nearby green areas such as Taiwan leisure farms, there are more than 300 different leisure farms from fruit, flower, fish, even to ranch.
Kaya naman sa susunod na bisita nyo sa Taiwan, isama na sa bucket list ang mga magagandang leisure farms ng bansa.
Within only 1.5 hours, it's really easy to access to Taiwan. And so we would like to invite you to not only go to Taipei 101 for shopping, but also go to nearby green area, because this is where life starts from the village, from the province to city. So welcome everyone to Taiwan.
Kasama si JM De Jesus, Angelica Cara, CLTV36 News.